What's up with y'all, man? You see your boy got his hair, well, I got it bleached, but yeah, we got a new little look, so, but we not here to talk about that. We about to work on the car again. Today, I'm gonna let y'all go ahead and know what we about to do. Recently, we put the wing on the car, but right now, we about to put my new diffuser on the car. And once again, I'm gonna let y'all know right now that the wing that came out the car previously, you can come get that wing. It fits every Camaro or RS. It don't matter what kind of Camaro it is, as long as it's 2016 and up. And then I'm also selling my my Redline Edition rims for the car. You can come get those too. You can hit me up on Instagram. I'll put my link right there on the screen. You just hit me up on there. We can talk about pricing and how we go get them to you. So let's get straight to the video, y'all. Okay, y'all, we got the POV action going. I still have yet to even see what the new diffuser even looks like, y'all. So it's an unboxing for all of us. Yeah, this one's gloss black too. Yeah, that already look different than the one that's on there. But yeah, we gonna start getting this bumper off before. I already got a before picture of this. Cut a piece of this box off so I could use it on the floor because it's wet right here, as y'all can see. What y'all be needing? This guy, so we'll be needing this guy, and we go in. And a mistake, I think we used plastic tool remover last time. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It was like a whole hour of me messing with this thing trying to get it on. So it's all on though. Okay, like I was saying before the other camera died, we got most of it on. I'm gonna take it outside. You can't really see it, it's gloss black. And I had to reach out to AWE because the black diamond tips, the 4.5 inch tip, I needed to get a new exhaust hanger because the other one seized up and kind of broke on me. So they sent me some new ones. They didn't say I had to buy them, but they gave me some new ones. And I gotta spend another 30 minutes on this side. Cause you know, for some reason this thing is not going on as smoothly as my other one. But it's going on. Like it's on there clean. I'm gonna show y'all when I get outside. But the 4.5 inch tips that came with AWE, I had to take them off because they were making it the fit too tight. Like when I put these on, it's literally like that much space in between the diffuser and the muffler tip. So yeah, man, let's get back into this. I want to record this because I don't want this tedious process to be on here. It's kind of just me tugging on the diffuser, trying to not pry it, but like push it up in there. And you know, if you work on stuff like this, you know. So yeah, I'll be right back. I went on ahead and took it an extra step further. Oh, you can't even see that, my bad. I added little winglets on the side. I'm about to put the new exhaust clamps on the 4.5 inch muffler tips right there. And then we gonna pull the car out the garage. I also want to put my little decal on the speedometer. It's gonna be red around it. And we gonna be done for the day. Out of that, I'm gonna just show you all around it. And yeah, so let me go ahead and put these exhaust tips on. We're gonna get straight to it. Okay, now we done. We got the exhaust tips on. I'm about to pull the car out. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. Now right now, it's gonna be loud as heck. So I don't know if you wanna turn the headphones up or down, just let me know. But yeah, we're about to pull it out the garage so y'all can see. I might drive it around for a minute. Close the door. Whew. Been working on the car for about 4 hours. Okay, so actually I can show y'all this right now. So we got the red, we put the red around the speedometer. I can't talk, but you see now it's red. So now we done with the inside of the car. The last thing is coming. We getting the LED steering wheel. So like it light up here to show you like the speed and the RPMs and that cool stuff. That's coming. Later this year, I don't necessarily know yet. Oh, hold on, the mail lady's right here. It's hard to get it. That's it for today's video. I showed y'all. I didn't mean to say that. That's it for today's video. You know what I'm saying? Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna be doing more to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some screenshots in here at the end because the GoPro wasn't picking it up for some reason. It's too dark or whatever, and it kind of got late when I was doing this. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some pictures from my phone I took. So yeah, man, that's it. I'm out, boy.
Perfect.